That's okay. Let me just. You can talk if you care. I don't really care anymore. Just
Are you putting this on
see
YouTube?
there. Damn, it's gone now.
What's gone?
The rave. Okay, guys, we're sorry. The rave back over. Oh, the rave's there. Okay, I can see it.
Going that way anyway.
Okay, as you know, guys, we're gonna stop here and show you the video. I mean it. Here we are, guys, at the massive waves we ever seen in history. There was somebody surfing here, so don't be too excited.
Wow.
And I'm still also hanging my lollipop here. My favorite type.
There's some waves down there,
Do you
Miguel.
want to stay here?
Oh, look at that, guys. You can see
I'll park it here. I don't need a one section.
okay, let's see.
The other side
Whoa.
as well.
Yeah, there you go.
There's some
There's
big
people
waves.
surfing out there.
Sorry, guys.
Wow.
I've watched some people surf.
That is really, really crazy. We normally go walking on that, so I'd imagine we walk it out.
Look at it. This is one of the most craziest things ever. Like big waves, bad storms, sorry surfing, one next to rocks.
Waves, they're gigantic. Whoa. Someone
this-
just got smashed by one.
Yeah.
Looks like we hope that he doesn't die.
Oh, that'd be scary
Well,
watching.
he's there, he's there.
Gotta put that on the news then.
Aisha's husband apparently surfs. He doesn't look so tired to surf.
Don't mention names. It's me. No, my lolly.
Oh, we were supposed to get the Magnum ice cream.
I want to look at these waves.
There we go.
It's not squeaky anymore.
We'll see.
Look at that wave.
We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.